Kuumana na uingi wa mbura nene iria ikoretwo ikiura icigo-ini ngurani cia bururi wa Kenya, family nyingi ni ihutitio kuumana na muiyuro wa mai, na kuringana na minista wa utamburukia wa mahinya Eugine Wamalwa, andu matanyiire 285 nio marikitie gukua kuumana na muiyuro wa mai, ona ningi matuika matiri. Kuringana na Wamalwa, andu makiria ma 800 nio mahutitio bururi-ini wa Kenya, guku akiuria Akenya mehuge muno makiria na mbura ino, ona ningi marumirire mawatho ma ruhonge rwa urathi wa riera niguo makorwo magithema na ugwati wothe ungiumana na mbura ino.
We also want to assure all families affected, and we're talking of over 810,000 Kenyans who have been affected across 33 counties, that the national government will continue supporting you in all the 33 counties in terms of relief food.
Oho Wamalwa ni ongereire na kuuga ati kaunti iria ihutitio ni makiria ma kaunti 33 na family iria igumirwo muno makiria ni iguthii na mbere na kwamukira uteithio wa irio kuma thirikari-ini.
Forward into the future, when we get alerts, when we are warned by experts that it is going to rain or that we are likely to have landslides, please do not take these alerts lightly, because we have seen, even in areas where we were affected in terms of landslides in West Pokot, in Elgeyo Marakwet, both last year and this year, the experts warned us just weeks to such tragedies. What we need to improve on going forward is our response and how we utilize information given to us.
Ithuiro ria bururi mwena wa Nyanza, mwena wa iria-ini oro undu umwe na gicua-ini na icigirira-ini cia gitaru kia Rift Valley ni kumwe gwa kuria mbura ino irigirirwo gukorwo igithii na mbere ona makiria mweri-ini turorete wa gatandatu. No ona kuri oro uguo, rugongo rwa bururi oro undu umwe na irathiro mbura ya kunyihanyiha.
We will still be having rains going into June in the western part of the country, Nyanza, the Lake Basin region. Also at the coast, we will be still experiencing rains and parts of Rift Valley. So we will be able to work with the counties, identify the families like those in Moranga who have also been displaced by landslides and mudslides, so that after the rains stop in June, we will be able to now see how to restore normalcy in terms of supporting them rebuild their lives.
Ihinda-ini o riu Wamalwa ni oritie thirikari cia kaunti itiganite ithii na mbere na kuhe uteithio andu aria magumirwo ni mathina kuumana na mbura ino. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Njeri wa Wambui.